Managing your vacation property rental can be a huge headache. For one thing, you have to manage your listing on multiple sites, so you don't have huge gaps of time where your property sits unoccupied. You also have to find a way to get keys to your renters, and even once you do, you run the risk of them losing or copying those keys. Plus, there's the challenge of cleaning your place and inspecting for damages, so you can be reimbursed should something go wrong. As a result, managing your vacation rental property is more time-consuming and a bigger hassle than you bargained for. Fortunately, there's a better way. Introducing Rental Relief, a one-stop property management company that handles everything for you. So you can relax, knowing you've left your vacation rental to the experts. With Rental Relief, we'll manage your listing on more than 50 well-known vacation rental websites, so your property is continuously booked and you have a steady stream of extra income. And we'll install a digital entry keypad at your vacation rental, so you don't have to worry about lost or copied keys. This also makes entry easier for your renters, resulting in better online reviews of your property. Plus, because the entry PIN can be changed remotely from your PC or smartphone, you can easily establish tight security from a distance. And because we'll inspect and clean your property between guests, you'll never have to worry about unreported damages or a renter showing up to a sea of dirty dishes. But perhaps the best thing of all is that we offer a flat monthly rate. There are no fees or surprise charges. Instead, you pay the same amount every month, so you can easily track your expenses. To learn how Rental Relief can make renting your vacation home hassle-free, speak to one of our representatives today by visiting rentalrelief.com or by calling 625-359-7854.